Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. Today's video is about section box and how it can help you in modeling. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. We have here our sample Revit file from Autodesk. Let's go to one of the plan view. We are going to select one of the wall here on the plan. After selecting the wall, click this selection box icon. Then it will automatically go to the 3D view. Section box will isolate the wall that was selected. When selecting the section box, notice the triangle buttons that can be pushed or pulled to adjust the selection. Section box is helpful to zoom in the model to check and investigate into a particular location of the model. To reset or to remove the selection box, go to the Properties. Look for the section box, then untick the box. So any part of your model you can use section box to isolate a portion of the model that you want to check. Section box can also be used to isolate a 3D view for your presentation. You may also use section box to make it look like an exploded 3D view presentation, which we have shown on a separate video, which we will have the link here. Alright, that's it for now. Hope that you have learned something new from our tutorial and hope to see you again on the next one. Thank you for watching.